You're sitting on an idea. You want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't want to show your face. You've probably said, I don't have the gear, the voice, or the confidence. Well, guess what? Most of the channels blowing up right now are faceless and built by people who started exactly where you are. So today, I'm breaking it all down. The blueprint to start a faceless channel, grow it, and actually turn it into income. Here's the biggest lie the internet told you. You need to be the next Mr. Beast to make money on YouTube. False. The truth? Faceless channels are easier to scale, cheaper to produce, and when done right, they print income like it's on auto mode. And let's be real, you don't need to stress over bad hair days if your face isn't even on camera. Okay, let's get into the engine room, ideas. Here's a simple truth. Faceless channels thrive in repeatable niches. Think motivation, storytelling, productivity, celebrity news, tutorials, top 10s. You want a topic you can talk about 100 times without getting bored or burnt out. If your niche is top 5 ways to fold a napkin, maybe rethink that. Let's talk voices. Faceless doesn't mean voiceless. You can record your own voice, or use AI voice generators like 11 Labs, Speechalo, or HeyGen. The key is sounding natural, clear, and engaging. And please, don't sound like a robot trying to sell me crypto in a back alley. Let's talk tools, because this is where people either overthink or overspend. You don't need fancy cameras or a 10-step editing pipeline. You only need 4 things to start your first faceless video. 1. A strong script. 2. A voice or AI narrator. 3. B-roll and images to support your story. 4. Avatar visuals or simple visual animation. Think of it like cooking a great meal. You just need the right ingredients, not a Michelin star. Next, the voice. You've got 2 options. Record your own or use AI narration. If you're just starting, AI is quick, clean, and scalable. My top picks: 11 Labs for hyper-realistic voice, or HeyGen for something affordable and simple. Here are the steps for your AI voice. Here is number 1. Copy your script. 2. Paste it into the voice tool. 3. Select a natural sounding voice. 4. Adjust tone, optional, and download. And also, here's a helpful tip. I use my own voice because it sounds more natural to me. Step 3. B-rolls roll. Now we layer in the visuals. This is where your faceless video really starts to shine. You can use Leonardo AI to generate cinematic B-roll images to support your story. If you're talking about discipline, generate a photo of someone running before sunrise. Talking about focus, prompt an image of a person working in a quiet room with headphones. This is a Leonardo prompt example. Okay, so you will write in ChatGPT, create me a prompt of a realistic image of a woman in sportswear running at 5 a.m. under a street light, cinematic lighting, wide angle, for Leonardo AI. You need to let ChatGPT know where you're going for the prompt to do well. Step 4. Now the face of your video, your avatar. This can be a fully animated character, a human-like avatar like me from HeyGen or Synthesia, or even a simple static avatar with lip sync added in tools like D.ID. So these are steps to create an avatar clip. 1. Upload your script or audio to CapCut. 2. Select an avatar and voice combo if you really work in it. 3. Choose full body picture or headshots. 4. Then render and download, and boom, it's a piece of cake, right? And just like that, you've got a script, a voice, visuals, and a message. You didn't need to hire a team. You didn't need $1,000 worth of gear. You just needed clarity, creativity, and a little bit of tech. And don't forget to slap some personality on that thing. Who wants to be a boring avatar? Not me, loves. Okay, so you've built your channel, you're posting value. Now let's talk results like real income, because the truth is, ad revenue is just one stream, and if you stop there, you're leaving money on the table. Like trying to run a business with one product called hope. Okay, so now what? Most beginners think AdSense will make them rich overnight. Spoiler alert, it won't. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just to qualify. And even then, most creators make $1 to $4 per 1,000 views depending on niche. Here is the solution. It's passive income. Once your videos rank, you earn while you sleep. You have 0 products of your own. So how do you monetize? Beginners often ignore affiliate marketing because they think it's spammy. But it's the opposite when you do it right. Find tools you already use, like CapCut, ChatGPT, or AI avatar generators, and recommend them using affiliate links. Okay, babes, you're giving out free advice but have nothing to sell. If your audience learns from you, they'll pay to go deeper, but most new creators never package their knowledge. Start simple, a 5-page ebook, a mini course, a Notion template, whatever solves a real problem. Work hard at it and make sure it's a proven system. Okay, babes, now let's talk about the long game power move, which is your email list. Social platforms change, but your audience disappears with them. If YouTube shut down tomorrow, would you still have access to your people? Build an email list, offer a free guide or checklist in your video description, capture emails, send weekly value. Give the good stuff to your community and they will appreciate you for it. So, what if you're not a big YouTuber yet? So, you assume no one will pay you. But small channels get micro sponsorships all the time, especially if your content is niche and your audience trusts you. Pitch smaller tools in your space. Show them how your audience matches their customer base. Even a $50 to $100 deal helps you reinvest into better videos. For example, a company named FameBit, you can sign up there to find brands, just send them a letter tailored to you and business with ChatGPT, and boom, bada ping, you are on your way. You started with zero. No face, no following, no expensive gear. Now you've got a strategy and a business. Pick one income stream, master it, then stack the next. Because this is more than YouTube. This is your voice, amplified. If you want the script I used in this video or a checklist to launch your own Faceless channel, grab it in the description. And if this helped, drop a fire emoji in the comments. See you next time.